Good day and welcome, grade 12s. Now we're looking at equation of circle with any center, right? Not all centers are at the origin. So, equation of circle with any center. Equation of circle, and it has center A and B and radius R. To the read x minus a, y minus b squared equal r squared, and this actually comes from the distance formula, right? So that's the equation for a circle. Coordinates there, positive a goes in as negative a, positive b goes in as negative b. Right? So let's look at a few problems. So determine the coordinates of the center and the radius of each circle. So my center, remember there they gave x minus 1 squared plus y plus 6 squared equal 12. So the center minus 1 becomes positive 1, plus 6 becomes negative 6. Remember that is r squared. No? So when we want the radius, we always want the square root of that value. So r equals square root 12. So say x plus 7 squared plus y minus 5 squared equal 50. Then my center plus 7 becomes minus 7. Minus 5 become plus 5. The radius simply square root of r squared. So r equals square root 50. That's just to show you how we get the center and the radius. Right, now in this set, we determine the equation of the circle, given center coordinates and radius. So determine the equation of the circle if we have a center 1 and 1, the radius 5 units. So the center is not 0 and 0, therefore we have to use the equation x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equal r squared. So there a, it's positive 1, so a becomes negative 1. Therefore y it's positive 1, so b becomes negative 1. Radius is 5, so that becomes 5 squared. So my equation reads x minus y squared, x minus 1 squared, plus y minus 1 squared, and 5 squared, I assume you know, is 25. Give center 1 and negative 2, and radius 5 units. Again, it's not at 0 and 0, so my equation reads x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equal r squared. So plus 1 goes in as negative 1, negative 2 goes in as plus 2. R is simply 3 squared, so the equation reads x minus y squared plus y plus 2 squared. 3 squared, I assume here is 9, so there we found the equation of the circle. Determine the equation of the circle, given center coordinates and the radius. So here my center 1 and negative 2. Instead of giving you the radius, we say passing through point minus 1 and 1. So that there again, it's not at 0 and 0, so it's x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equal r squared. So plus 1 goes in as minus 1, minus 2 go in as plus 2. For radius, remember it's x squared plus y squared. So that gives me minus 1 squared plus 1 squared. I assume 1 plus 1 would give me 2. So my equation x minus 1 squared plus y plus 2 squared equal 2. So hope you follow, hope you enjoy. Please like, share and subscribe. Let's look at the next problem. Right, now we can also test you at a higher level, determine the equation, given a diameter and finding midpoint. So determine the equation of a circle with BC as a diameter, if B and C are the points minus 3 and 2 and 1 and 6 respectively. So I assume by now you know the middle of a diameter is also the center of a circle. Diameter consists out of 2 radius or 2 radii. May I correct my English. Right, so for midpoint BC, right, I'm going to say x1 plus x2 or x2 plus x1 over 2, y2 plus y1 over 2. So minus 3 plus 1 divided by 2, 2 plus 6 divided by 2. Gives me negative 2 over 2, which becomes negative 1, and 2 plus 6, 8 divided by 2, 4. So the circle is centered at minus 1 and 4. I also need the length of the diameter so that I can get the radius. So my length, BC, equals square root x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus 1 squared. So minus 3 minus 1, or 1 minus 3, and 6 minus 2. That gives me 4 squared, which is 16, and 4 squared 16. 16 plus 16 gives me square root 32. Right in there, 16 times 2, so square root 16, 4, square root 2, but you can just punch it in your calculator. We'll give you that. So BC is the diameter. Assume radii, or radius, should know is half a diameter, so BC divided by 2, 4 square root 2 divided by 2 gives me 2 square root 2. So therefore, not centered at the origin, so it's x minus a squared plus y minus b squared. Minus 1 goes in as plus 1, plus 4 goes in as minus 4 squared. My radius, 2 square root 2 all squared. So the equation reads x plus 1 squared plus y minus 4 squared equal 8. So hope you enjoy, hope you understand. If you don't, feel free to ask. Any slide you want me to re-explain, I would kindly do so. Continue being the best that you possibly can be.